Hey guys, welcome back. So till now in the sorting chapter we have seen 7 types of sorting techniques whereby we saw that what is that sorting technique all about, how that works. Then we also saw the time and space complexity of those algorithms. Now there can be a valid question that is there any criteria on which we need to select our sorting algorithm? That is, given any situation and a set of numbers, if we want to do sorting, is there any quick way we can find which is the one which will suit our needs the best? So for that we have a small cheat sheet over here which basically compares all the algorithm depending on time complexity, space complexity and stability. So now depending on our requirement, we can find out which sorting algorithm will suit us the best. That is, let's say if we are working in some embedded system. So as we know that in embedded systems, space is extremely important and we cannot give any extra space. So in those cases, we should look for those algorithm which takes constant space, which can be any one of these guys. Similarly, let's say if you are working on some mission critical kind of a project where time is extremely important. In those cases, we can prefer these algorithms because they are better than the other algorithms. However, in some cases, we also need to take care of stability of the algorithm. Like one of the example is group by clause in data structure, which we have talked in the introductory video of sorting. So if we want to make sure that the stability of the algorithm is also there, for those we have again few options over here. So depending on our current circumstances, whichever sorting algorithm suits us depending on these 3 parameters, we can select it. Fine. So that is all about the sorting chapter. So with that we will conclude this chapter. In the next video we'll pick up some new topic. Thanks for your time. See you in the next video.